cow milk, cow skin, vegetables, calf, cow, legs, ears, horns. Cow. A cow is a farm animal. A cow has 4 legs, 2 ears, and 2 horns on the head. Cows give us milk. Cow milk is good for health. Cow skin is used for making leather. A baby cow is called a calf. Cow sound is called moo. Cows live in groups. They eat grass and vegetables. Cows drink a lot of water. They can live for 25 years. Yes, no. Number 1. Cows are wild animals. Number 2. Cows have 4 legs and 2 ears. Number 3. Cows don't give milk. Number 4. A cow baby is called a puppy. Number 5. Cows eat meat and cheese. Number 6. They live for 2 years. Write your answers in the comments.